Hey guys, today I'll show you a latest working method I have been using to get free TD likes. Firstly, kindly go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword likfi. Scroll down and select the read more below the post. Now scroll down twice and select the blue button. Kindly type in your correct username and any email you can access. As you can see, our likes was sent successfully to our video and should arrive in 2 minutes. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.